I'm going to show you how to make Sijang Tongdak, the Korean market fried chicken. This whole fried chicken has very thin and crispy crust. Inside, the flesh is tender and tasty. Start by marinating the chicken. Cut it to open it butter fry style. At the market in Korea, they'll cook it whole like this. But to fry it easily in a pan, cut it in half. Cut the parts where the flesh is thick for even cooking. In a small bowl, put 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground pepper, and half teaspoon of turmeric. Mix. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 tablespoon. Spread it on the chicken. Then coat a salt, pepper, turmeric mixture. Leave it in the fridge for at least 2 hours, ideally overnight. Take it out before frying so that it comes back to room temperature. I did some tests to get a very crispy and thin crust. As a result, I suggest the following combination of flours: 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. The latter brings lightness, crispness, flavor and color. Add a pinch of turmeric to accentuate the golden color. Also add half teaspoon of ground pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 cups of water little by little and mixing. Preheat the frying oil over high heat. Meanwhile, coat the chicken in all-purpose flour. This allows the batter to adhere. To have a crispy result and very tender flesh, 2 fryings are necessary. I check the oil temperature with a thermometer. If you don't have one, you can dip a wooden chopstick. If bubbles appear, this means that the oil is at the right temperature, about 320 degrees. Mix the batter and cover the chicken. The first frying takes 13 minutes. This first step allows the chicken to cook almost completely inside. Halfway through cooking, flip it over. Remove it and let it cool for 15 minutes. During this time, the surface of chicken dries slightly and this temperature decreases. For the second frying, heat the oil over high heat at 360 degrees. Put the chicken for 6 minutes. The cool surface, in contact with the very hot oil, will quickly become very crispy and golden brown, and the flesh is cooked thoroughly without drying out and remaining tender and juicy. Halfway through cooking, flip it over. Remove it and place it on a rack. The Korean fried chicken is ready. You can enjoy it with short grain rice. You can make a Korean-style dipping sauce. For this, mix 1 tablespoon of Korean chili paste, gochujang, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of white rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, half tablespoon of sugar, 1 garlic clove, and 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds. Bon appétit! The chicken flesh is well seasoned. Here it is subtly flavored with ginger and turmeric. Thanks to the corn flour, the crust is delicious. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.